Certainly the feel of fall out there, breezy winds, cloudy skies, keeping our temperatures cool for a late August day. Narragansett, plenty of spots still at the beach for those that are headed down there this afternoon. We have a mostly cloudy sky in Warwick too. Those clouds, a deck of clouds, courtesy of that potential tropical cyclone that we've been tracking that's off the North Carolina coast today. So temperatures, well, they are running cool, should be up around 80. We're at 68 in Providence, 67 in Newport, 67 New Bedford, and 80 in Smithfield. Looking at the radar, it's quiet right now, but if we widen out the view, you can see the leading edge of at least some light showers starting to press through the mid-Atlantic and up towards New York City. And for us, the arrival time, most of us will be after the evening commute. May get a couple of sprinkles in the southern part of Rhode Island as early as 5 or 6 o'clock this evening. I don't have a lot of severe weather with this system. We get sort of clipped by the outer edges of it. We'll see some impacts in the form of some showers, some rough surf, and some gusty winds, especially along the shore. And that will extend into Wednesday morning, where we're going to see some lingering showers and gusty winds, along with some rough surf. The highest winds will be over the Cape and the islands. This is a wind advisory for Cape Cod and Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket under a high wind watch, where there could be some gusts to 50 miles per hour. Not expecting wind damage in Rhode Island. And in terms of the high surf advisory, highest for the Cape and islands. Block Island is included in the high surf advisory, and even though the south coast is not included in that, I would use some extra caution along our shoreline if you're headed to the beach tomorrow, because we will see some swells from this system. Here's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. This will be about 100-150 miles to the southeast of Nantucket, far enough away that the heaviest of the rain, the strongest winds will be a miss for us. But notice again, we do have a breezy easterly wind continuing. This is 5 o'clock in the evening. Showers starting to push in. The steadiest rain is in the late evening and the first part of the night, where the rain overspreads much of Rhode Island into perhaps as far north as Boston. Then 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, rain's already starting to taper off. The center of the storm going to be making its way to the east, and by the afternoon, this is at 2:30, we're expecting sunshine and dry air to be back as the winds have shifted to the north. In terms of the wave heights, you can see where we do get a bit of an increase in the waves by tomorrow morning. That's going to cause a higher risk for rip currents. If you're trying to get to the beach tomorrow afternoon, you'll want to use some extra caution in the water. So here's what I'm expecting: about a quarter to a half an inch of rain, winds gusting 25 to 35 miles per hour in Rhode Island, again higher over the Cape and the islands, and the seas may build as high as 3 to 6 feet. Rest of this afternoon, we're dry until we see some showers after 6 o'clock in the evening. Temperatures falling into the middle 60s by 7 and upper 50s for late night lows. Have a 50-50 day tomorrow. Breezy and showery in the morning, brighter with diminishing winds in the afternoon. Highs make it warmer into the middle 70s. Then Thursday's a warm day, lower 80s. Most of the day is dry, just a chance of a shower or thunderstorm. The end of the day as we track a cold front, and you can see that front cools us off for Friday and Saturday. The showers that you see in the forecast for Sunday could be a little bit of the remnants from Harvey finally making it off the eastern United